Some football news now. If the race for the 6th spot in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League is intriguing, well, so too is the race for the top 2 places, with the 4 teams eyeing up their chances with 8 rounds of matches to go in the regular season.
Leaders Cavalier and the defending champions Mount Pleasant Football Academy seemed the likely ones to secure the top 2 places, even with 24 more points on offer. The two did just that last season. Cavalier are currently on 40 points, 1 more than Mount Pleasant, following their 4-0 win over Limehall Academy on Sunday.
I don't think it's important if I'm at the top or not. This league is a knockout at the end. That is what is more important. It will be good for us to finish in the top 2 though. So we're trying to stay in the top 2.
Mount Pleasant's task was not that easy, as they did come from behind to beat Harborview 2-1 on Monday. DeMar Rose had the Stars of the East in front after just 3 minutes, but the title holders hit back through Devontae Campbell in the 25th minute to level the score before Shaquille Bradford sealed the win in the 37th minute.
You don't want to be slipping away, you want to keep winning, so we did that this afternoon.
Portmore United are right about there in 4th spot on 36 points. Their effort was somewhat thwarted by Malines United in a 2-2 draw. Jason Wright showed Malines the way in 9 minutes into the second half. But that lead lasted just 4 minutes before it was wiped out by Jamari Morrison. Portmore hit the front just over the hour mark through Stephen Barnett, but Wright finished what he started with the game equalizer in stoppage time.
If you look at the squad, it's a very young squad, and the starting team have a lot of youngsters in it. So to be amongst teams such as Mount Pleasant and the other teams and exchanging blows with them, keeping stride with them, we are doing well there, both the players and the coaching staff.
Tivoli Gardens are the 3rd placed team, 2 points behind Mount Pleasant and 1 ahead of Portmore United. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.